Hi friends, welcome to our German language course. German, known as Deutsch, is a member of the Western group of the Germanic languages. It is spoken primarily in Germany, Austria and major part of Switzerland. German is the third most popular foreign language taught worldwide and the second most popular in Europe. But why learn German? Learning a new language can change your life. Learning a new language provides you with immense global opportunities. Learning a new language opens up your mind, improves memory. It is scientifically proven. German has the largest number of native speakers in the European Union, far more than English, Spanish or French. German is among the 10 most commonly spoken languages in the world. It is also rapidly becoming the lingua franca of Central and Eastern Europe. So let us now know what are the seasons in Germany. The seasons in German are called as die Jahreszeiten. I repeat, die Jahreszeiten. So let us look at what are the seasons in German and in which months do they fall. Der Frühling. Der Frühling, that is the spring. Die Monate der Frühling, the months of the spring. März, April, Mai. Der Sommer, der Sommer. Die Monate der Sommer. Juni, Juli, August. Der Herbst, der Herbst, also known as autumn or fall. Die Monate der Herbst. September, October, November. Der Winter. Der Winter. Die Monate der Winter. Dezember, Januar, Februar. Wie das Auto. Das Auto. Wie der Automat. Der Automat. Wie der Bär. Der Bär. Wie der Käse. Der Käse. Wie der Bus. Der Bus. Wie das Baby. Das Baby. To ask someone about their well-being, the formal question is, wie geht es Ihnen? So the first greeting, hello, hello, hello. Now here, if you notice, the spelling here sounds as H-A-L-L-O, H-A-L-L-O. In English, the same spelling is H-E-L-L-O. So repeat again, hello. Yeah. Next greeting, in the morning when you get up, the first greeting we use is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. So you can see the syllabic pronunciation here, Guten Morgen. There are 4 syllables in this word Guten Morgen. So it is good morning and this is to be used up to 10 a.m. in the morning.